Alright guys, welcome back to another video of Can I Draw You. Now I have something different, something in store for you guys. I'm doing a little project, you understand? It's a Sunday evening thing, you know what I mean? Something where you can eat a Sunday. What mean when I eat a Sunday dinner? You watch that program here. The whole idea is going on the road to link up some of my older friends, you know what I mean? To find out what they know, if they have an experience in the art and what they are doing, you understand? Some of my old people friend them, you know what I mean? So here what, I'm going to touch the road and link up one of my real bona fide, real mentor, you know what I mean? When I give them name yet, but when we go up on the road, you're going to see who me attack. So here what, stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to what, subscribe and like the video, you know what I mean? And what, leave your comment in the comment section and just enjoy the whole experience, you know what I mean? While traveling there and see what the whole program is about. And just enjoy it. Stay tuned. No. Ready? Alright, so guys, here we go on. Engine start up, you know what I mean? Studio, I go up on the road. I want to show the whole experience, you know what I mean? What it is like in the life of my experience drawing people and going out and finding about their lifestyle. So the place that we're going today is called Land Settlement. We have to pass through a place called Royal Flat to reach there. So I'm going to show you the whole journey. If you don't know this part of Mandeville like this, it is a very peaceful community, and I want you guys to just follow the thing, you know what I mean? And personally, I'm going to link, as I say, I'm a bona fide. I'm a mentor that, you know what I mean? A little farmer, same way. So I got me surprise him and say, yeah, what? Jai, where come Jai, but I want to see what I deal with and what I go on in my life. So here, what? I can move off now, drive off and see what I go on, you know what I mean? Forward, man. So guys, we are at the iconic horseshoe curve. Look at it, this is the horseshoe curve. May I tell you, it's a deep corner in Jamaica. Go there. Watch your man. Alright, so we're heading towards Grey Ground Community. Infamous Grey Ground. After we pass Grey Ground, we're going to go to Royal Flat. Yeah, man. So yo, we are going to the supermarket and see if we can get him a 1 Guinness. And the man will love Guinness still. So yo, I hope you're so big man. Or big man. I hope you're so. The spot with Mas George, you understand? The mentor, the legendary Mas George, the godfather of the place, you know what I mean? So, we want to feature Mas George's place and we're going to tell him what's our project about. So, Mas George, you want to tell the camera who you are? Like, introduce yourself to them, let them know who you are. Tell the people who you are, you know what I mean?
George Gill, man.
George Gill, alright. Alright, so where you originated from? Let me know where you come from. Christiana?
Yes.
Alright, so you're originally from Christiana?
Yes.
But you live in Mandeville now,
Mandeville.
specifically land settlement.
Yeah.
Alright, alright. So what you do for a living right now?
Well, we raise 2 goats, 1 hog, plant Irish potato,
Alright. So it's farming. So
plant
farming.
banana.
Banana planting.
Yeah.
Alright. So who's this lovely lady right here?
My wife.
Your wife? So how long now you been married?
I remember, you know.
You remember?
No, sir.
I passed 40 years, 20 years?
About 20.
About 20 years now. Yeah, so what's the name of your wife?
Ina.
Ina? Ina what? What's her last name?
Emina Jones.
Jones. But a girl now. Alright. Good. So, you want to show what you do? You want to show where you hug, you goat them, and you planting what you do. So to carry to your place, and see what I go on. He's a trying man from long time and him know to sustain him family and thing. And a farm in a film base. And I'm going to see what I go on for you having a penny. Yes, in a few for mine. Yes, even tell me, come on. Where you put the goat them? Where you goat them there? We can get a picture of goat them there.
Yeah, right house is in there.
So, some more planting tree, lingy. You know what I mean? You know, say man out here with him planting and thing, you know what I mean?
Yes. Wow.
Beautiful guys. But that beautiful place, you know? But now, like, place, pretty in terms of fertile when you talk about land.
Right now.
You know what I mean? So you have some Irish potato plants and things?
Yeah, I have some.
When you can donate something to the farmer, even if some fertilizer and you can sponsor, you know what I mean, some seed to plant anything. You know what I mean? It's a trying man. From I know the man, it's a trying man. You know what I mean? The man, bent everything, you know, and chill out. Now give up. You still. Alright, G, we'll see if we can take a caption and go there.
So it's just very scary for the less skilled South Africans. The World Bank estimates that COVID-19 could push as many as 150 million people around the globe.
Yeah, refugees come to that. So how much goat you have now?
3 of them,
3 goats.
The one and 3. Shut up, man. Come. Come on. Come.
Alright, so the whole program right here, I go around, I draw some elders, you know what I mean? More and more want to know what I used to do back in the day, you know what I mean? So, I want to have a conversation meanwhile, I draw a part of my project still. So, I'm happy to say you participate, You know what I mean? Because most people, them kind of hesitant for kind of participate what go on, right? You see, you know what I mean? So, just give me a best pose. You can talk meanwhile. We are joy. So, you can just tell me what you know. Tell the people them what you know. You know what I mean? Some old proverb where you like to share. You know what I mean? The proverb we always use. Other one they go again. One way I say, if frog come up and tell you say trouble the water bottom, the alligator the water bottom, if you believe him. Other one they go. Explain that one there for me. Explain that one there.
How you believe him? Because if a man come here and tell you say, the man round there so. I do certain things you can't say no, you know.
You can't say no.
No.
So that's it mean?
Yes.
So
just hear what him say. Because you never did it.
You never did it?
No.
Oh.
You have to take your word for it.
You have to take your word for it.
Yeah.
So even the one where you always I say, what the next proverb we go? Chicken marry the near.
And then if you out there so, I jump on France, anything will happen to you. You have to take it because you are chicken, you know.
Yeah, chicken. So what happened? You happy near?
You're happy. So you're happy, anything can happen to you.
So you're happy, so it's like you're not really a focus on what going.
No?
Oh.
You're not focused.
Yeah. So when you did that one, when you're a boy, Zine, you used to do art at school and something?
No, sir.
Never used to do art?
No.
What man?
You're a bad boy.
So you're a bad boy at school?
Yes.
So no art for you?
Play ball.
So be a football and a play?
No, me not play football.
How you play?
Cricket.
Cricket?
Yeah.
Them time cricket. Football in the hot them time.
Oh.
Cricket there in place sometime.
Cricket one.
Alright.
So you feel now we say cricket now go on like we used to go on the year.
Right now. Right now if me turn my back, me can't go back out there.
Yes, no.
Yeah? Me not.
When I easy, yeah, I think my young boy, nah.
Oh.
Now you, what you go play cricket?
How you believe? How you believe?
Yeah, man.
So it's like bat or a ball or a field.
Bat.
You know, it's a love bat.
Yeah. We come from Kende.
So bat in everything.
Yes. We take bamboo root, make ball.
Oh. So bamboo root, I don't understand that.
So anyways, use plastic and roll in a fire.
No, sir. We never bother with that. No.
So you roll the bamboo root.
We dig out the bamboo root and chip it right round like ball.
Oh.
Get it round.
So you can bounce. Bamboo root can bounce.
Yeah. Let me try.
No.
Yes, man.
Oh, yes.
And a bamboo joint we use, you know. Make we bat, you know.
Bamboo giant.
We use the bamboo.
Make the bat.
Yeah. Yeah. Tree giant.
Oh, yes.
Amazing.
So before
And
you...
then we use fig. Chip the fig.
Yeah.
And make the bat, you know.
Yeah.
Can chip the fig and make the bat.
I make the bat.
Yeah.
Oh, so before you actually go in a farming like that, what kind of work you used to do before? Before farming or before you come a settlement and
Work pan truck.
you used to work on truck?
Yeah.
What you used to do on the truck?
Load sand, load mall, load block. All of them something I'm got on go load lumber.
Yeah.
Zinc
So what name a company and them something you used to work?
George Kirby. A Christiana.
Oh, cause you know say originally this you come from so.
Yeah.
So
Eric
Christiana.
DePaz. We work with Eric DePaz.
Yeah.
John McNamee.
Yeah.
All them man there.
Yeah.
And tell me to gas some for bakery.
Mm-hmm.
Or load bread at night.
Yeah.
How what thing we doing?
Real. So I know
Ram ginger
a long
bag.
time. A long time you do this. A long time you know a road.
Bag. And natto. Fermenter.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Mm-hmm.
All of them things left.
Oh.
And load them pan truck and go town with them.
Oh.
Go town. I can't go work with that man then called power policeman Crosby.
Oh.
Draw cocoa gas St. Mary,
Mm-hmm.
cocoa factory.
Oh.
That's how to work, man.
Alright.
Private sanitation work. Because Jordan man not
Yeah.
9 retirement road
Yeah.
for clean rubbish.
Yeah.
So I live in.
So as you see, I'm trying to clean up the drawing here. I say it's a successful drawing. You understand? No, it's alright, man. It's a successful drawing and it's a nice reference. For like you aspiring artists out there, it's like when you really want to develop a skill, you have to kind of practice, right? So don't be afraid to draw people in your household, don't be afraid to draw people in your community as well. Because at the end of the day, working from a photograph is good enough. But when you can train the hands and the eyes to really see, you understand? So that's a part of the project as well. So what I'm going to do with this, and for the other communities I'm going to visit, I'm going to put all of these sketches into paintings. You understand? So it's a series of work I'm working with, and I have a nice idea that I'm coming up with. You understand? So I want to go and spot and get the elders involved. You understand? And as you guys can see, Master George know a whole heap of thing, you know what I mean? No, Master George. you know a whole heap of thing we're really good, you know what I mean? And in terms of your farming now, right? What are some stuff that you would need to go into the farm to get it up and running? What would you need? So if people listening this broadcast would like to sponsor you, what would you need for the farm and so on?
What we need? Spray.
You would need some spray and so.
Yes.
So you like the rather to come in and give you a little assistance. As the rather is a community thing, you know, involved with the farming. Whole farming program, so you don't want the rather come in and give you a little assistance.
Hey, the 2 bag of potatoes, so I rather give me them.
Oh, rather, I've been helping you.
Then, me join rather, you know.
Oh, so you're a part of it?
Yeah.
Oh, well,
Now
that's...
the 2 ID now, but
Alright. So guys, we're going to show Master George him drawing you now. let me give it a little, let me put the signature on it. you know what I mean, and show him his joy. So, see you here.
Good George.
We see him this. Are you
I
this?
one side man, George man.
They say, come alive and paper, guy.
Put it closer to him, no?
Catch it here, catch it.
Ever go closer.
Alright, we give him a little close-up shot.
Don't move.
Come catch him from the side view. Catch him from the side view. Come catch him from the side view.
Yeah.
You see, I him this. Yeah, man. Are you this, man?
You like Uncle Georgie.
Yeah, man, you know what I mean? It's that Guinness, man. You know what I mean? So here what I want to know, follow this. Follow me go to the car and get him juice for him, see? So far, me I carry come again, so you don't have to move, right? I love that, man. That I...
Alright, go in, Lenny.
Alright.
So Georgie, this is yours.
Alright, so here are people. Maybe anime Guinness, and now we can participate in a project. Legendary Godfather, Mass George. See me? All the paintings to do him, you know. Because me I tell you, him have a unique personality, man. You know what I mean? And the world need to see this. The world need to engage in them things, you know what I mean? So here we guys. Thank you for watching this broadcast. Thank you for watching. Can I enjoy you? And I hope you guys follow this series. It's a body of work I want to develop. I want to take you guys on the journey so you guys can have the whole experience. You know what I mean? So, here what? On a Sunday evening program, this, you know. So, one of the grab on the Sunday, then I grab on the juice and the cool it in the lemonade. And just sit down and watch that one. Yeah. Follow the whole experience. You know what I mean? And don't forget to watch. Share the video and subscribe. Hit that subscription button. If you have not hit it yet, turn it on. So when I upload the next video, you will not miss it. You know what I mean? And like, comment. And if you guys enjoy the video again, as I said, just type what you want to say in the comment section. You can have a conversation. You know what I mean? Anything will stand out in this video for you guys. Let me know your thoughts towards it. You know what I mean? And again, thank you for following Tyrone Studio. And see you what? In the next video. I will out of here, yeah?